also the County Commission of Mombasa, Internal Security. These are the cool places of Mombasa. Tuk-tuk not allowed. So guys, this is Mombasa 001 series, and I hope you are enjoying the beautiful sceneries of where the government offices are located within Mombasa. County government or the governor's office around here. Coast Development Authority. The roads are cool. So this road leads to Mama Ngina Drive. It is a lonely road that is not used by many. As you can see, the road is very clear, very few vehicles, very few people, and very few tuk-tuks. The nice buildings here. Bamboo, palm. Ni nyumba ya mtu ama hoteli. Kenya kuna watu wako na pesa. Na ka hoteli, ka nyumba ya mtu. Ama ni estate. Ni estate, eh? Hii baadaye inaliwa, inatoaga fruits. Inaitwa kunazi. Kunazi. Na manazi mingi huku. Kuna nazi, kuna kunazi, kuna madafu. Hizo ni seed. Ni fruits ambazo ziko huku. Ndo. County elections. Headquarters, Mombasa County Office. Ofisi ya anaitwa nani?
IBC.
Jina ya kiongozi. Then hii inaitwa Mwarobaini, Mwafoti. In English, Mwafoti. Mwafoti. Mwafoti is a medicinal tree, good for health conditions. By the way, it is called Mwarobaini because it can treat up to 40 diseases in a human being. It is a traditional medicine which is around the coastal area. So these places are cool. These are places that you rarely see. And I'm getting a chance of showing you these areas. Huku ndo pia rais akikuja na lalaga huku, statehouse iko huku. Naona protected area. Photography is not allowed. So guys, let's proceed. These are the lonely roads of Mombasa. So just had a break because we are passing where the state house is, and it is a prohibited area. Not taking photos or not taking videos in those areas. Tunaendelea na safari. We are proceeding to Mama Ngina Drive. With a different entrance. not the normal ones, not from the ferry. Barabara huku ziko swafi, ziko laini, nyororo. Naenda Fort Jesus. Naenda Fort Jesus. Maana wametoka huko. Beach. Tunakuwaga na kabani hapa. Indian Ocean.
The breeze.
So guys, this place has a very nice breeze. Very nice and attractive. So guys, this is Mama Ngina Drive, and right now we are at Indian Ocean. Mombasa is a very nice place to visit, by the way. There are so many beautiful sceneries around here. Coral reefs, mawe ziko hapa kwa wingi. So just look at how the waves are coming. Right now I'm on top of one of the coral reefs, very much on top. So maji inakuja, by jioni tutakuwa kumejaa vizuri. Tupige kamaji kidogo. Leo lazima niogelee, by the way. So have a look at that. Let me try to zoom so that you see better. Hiyo sasa, hiyo waves. Woo! Kwanza mahali kama pale kuogelea ni tamu. Ona, ona. Yes guys, these are the streets of Mama Ngina. So this place people play golf. Wale wenye pesa kama sisi wanakuja wanacheza golf huku. This is Mombasa Golf Club. Mombasa Golf Club. Very nice place to be, as you can see people playing golf. See? So make sure you drop a comment on whatever you are seeing. Have you ever been to these streets? Maybe you are planning to have a visit of these areas. So these are good places, good nature walks, and they are just along the beach. So keep on enjoying. Barabara zimetulia kabisa, hazina watu wengi, magari ni moja moja tu. Okay, so uwanja wa golf uko hapa. Golf apartments. In the comment section, tell us what you are enjoying more about from this video. I hope all is well. Yes. Na jua imewaka. Jua imewaka sana. Almost there. Mama Ngina car wash. The hot is very sun. The sun is very hot. So lazima uvae kakofia. Kakofia kanazuia jua lakini baadaye bado kanaleta joto. Hey. 001 maneno. Uwanja wa golf iko hapa. Mtu wa mperepetwa. Mperepetwa. Unajua mperepetwa ni nini? Haujui mperepetwa na uko coast? Ala. So in the comment section, make sure you drop a comment on whatever you are enjoying in this video. Don't forget to give it a like. If possible, you can have to share. Mombasa 001 series. We cannot finish, we cannot even end it today. So we still have a lot to show you in this area. But it is indeed a very nice place to visit. So guys, keep on watching, keep on enjoying the beautiful sceneries, the coastal areas along Indian Ocean, along the beaches. So I'll have to pause my video kidogo and then we'll continue from there. Yes, let's proceed. That's the beach. Maji bado inakuja. Fika saa 10 itakuwa
inajadi.
Eh. za watoto ziko hapa weekend ama December holidays. Kukuja hapa, hawa watu wanasumbua watoto wako, wanajileta tu, hata waiti bora tu wameona uko na mtoto watampatia zote, shika hii. Pata mtoto wako na tamaa, nataka kila kitu, utajua ujui. Watu wamerelax, wengine wawili, wengine wanachonga magari ziko parking hapa. Watu wamekuja kujivinjari. Sasa hivi kanyaga pale Mkuchuma, vitu zinakata miguu. Sasa kama ile nitamu kusumia sana. Ile kanakuja lao akifika kunaruka. Kanakuwa suku sana. Environment is very green. Ndio inaitwa Perpetua. Na fencing iboma vizuri sana. Ile hoteli nilikuwa nakushow sasa ndio iko hapa. Ugali na sukuma 5k. Chai ni 3k. Na ikuji na super drum. Inakuja na Chinese cup. Inaitwa Galaxy Chinese Restaurant. Unajua nikishika hii kamera hivi. Nikishika hii kamera hivi, unajua kama anachukua mbele ama nyuma. This is the other version of Mama Ngina waterfront, what you didn't see in the previous one. So I'm going to link up with the other one. I'm going to pin it so that you can watch it. So the other one is from the ferry, and this one is from Old Town. So that is part 1 and part 2. So make sure you watch all of them and enjoy beautiful sceneries of Mama Ngina waterfront. Ooh. Keep on enjoying. Anything you see good, make sure you drop a comment. Don't forget to comment down there and tell us what you have seen. Military heritage installations. Watu wameanza kufurika full. usimame hapa mpaka nifike kule kwa mchanga ndio ukuje. This one. Let me try to zoom it. It looks very beautiful. May relax kwa mawe.